When it comes to building custom AI agents without writing any custom code, N8N is one of the best platforms to do that. In this video, I'll show you step by step, clicking a few buttons, how to set it up for your business so you'll be able to build custom automations inside your business. It will be private only for your team and for your business, and with time it will help you build custom automations so you don't need to pay for expensive tools and so on, and over time you can increase the amount of automations you have inside your business. After you kind of played with ChatGPT and so on, this is kind of the first stage for you to set up AI in your business, start saving costs, reduce manual work, and so on. So first thing we need to do is go to render.com. This is where we are gonna self-host our N8N instance, and you can create an account for free. I already have one. Then what you need to do is you need to click new web service. You're gonna click on existing image, and then N8N has a free version that we can self-host ourselves and we can just use it. So we're gonna go and just pick the N8N Docker image. We're gonna paste it over here, and we're gonna do connect. You can give it your name, N8N test. You can pick your region. It's better to pick the region that is most close to you. So if you're in the US, then pick a US region. If you're in the EU region, and so on. And now you're gonna pick up the free plan, and you can see here the details of how much the machine is strong. For starting using N8N, you might need this, but as you progress, you might need to upgrade, but for now we're gonna just show you the free version. Next, we're gonna do deploy. Okay, after a few moments, we see that we got this address, and we can now go on and use N8N. Now it takes a few moments until N8N is initializing, so you might get this error. If you still get this error, make sure you wait a few more moments, then you go and click on the address, and then you'll see N8N working. Next thing that you're gonna do is you're gonna log in. We're gonna fill up these quick questions. And that's it. We now have an instance that you can log into, and only you can use it and can start building workflows for your business. Let's start with something pretty quick just to show you an example. If we do start from scratch, and let's say I wanna build something with OpenAI, like I'll do message model. I'll need here to create new credential. And by the way, if you don't have an OpenAI API key yet, there is a video on the channel on how to set this up for your business. So make sure you watch this next. I'm gonna put my API key over here. I'm gonna do save, and it shows that everything is correct. Then I'm gonna choose like a model. I'm gonna give it just a simple prompt. Here we're gonna pick assistant, we're gonna do another message, and we're gonna do what's the time. Now we are asking as the user, and we're gonna do execute step. And this is what we got, the format that we were asking. Great, now it's working. Now, because we are using the free plan from render.com, we will take a look at the docs here. If the instance is not being used for more than 15 minutes, it goes to sleep. Then if you want to use it, you can go to the address again, and it will set it up again, but there is gonna be a lot of delay. As you can see here, they say like it will take at least 50 seconds until the instance is going back to be awake, and you can use it again. So we can use a quick hack, and basically we can go to cronjob.org. You can create an account for free. Then what you're gonna do is you're gonna do create cron job, and in the URL you're gonna put the address of your N8N instance. I'm gonna copy this from render. I'm gonna put this over here. Then here you can pick anything that is below 15 minutes. It can be 10 minutes. Let's do 5. Then what you can do is you can do test run. You can do start test run. Once you get okay, it means that it's working. We are gonna do close, we're gonna do create. And all it does is every 5 minutes, it's gonna go to our address, and it's gonna make sure that it's kind of faking a usage, okay? So then render is thinking, okay, we are still using this thing, keep it alive, don't let it go to sleep. And that's it for this video. If you have any questions, you can comment down below, or you can reach me out on the link below. Also, I'm helping businesses integrating these AI agents inside their businesses. setting up all the AI agents, building complex systems, and so on. If you need some things like this or you need any help in this area, you can click the link below. And also, before you go, make sure you click the subscribe, because the next videos are gonna be about building specific N8N automations for your business that you can build for free without needing any tech person. All you need to do is follow the guides, click a few buttons, and you will have some N8N workflows inside your business. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next ones. Bye bye.